Hi guys, it's Joe from Joe's Korean Kitchen. Today I'm going to talk about 3 types of rice you can easily get in the UK and which of these 3 is the best substitute to Korean rice. With that, now I will show you how to cook Korean rice using a pot. Let's get started, shall we? Here we've got 3 types of rice. Basmati rice, which is a type of long grain rice, Italian rice, and sushi rice. Basmati rice or long grain rice is very common in the UK. It is often served with Indian, Chinese, or Middle Eastern cuisine. It's not very sticky and it's suitable for pan-fried rice. Italian rice is used to make risotto. It's more similar to sushi rice than basmati rice, but it still isn't the best substitute for Korean rice. Sushi rice is the best substitute for Korean rice. I tried to find Korean rice farmed in South Korea and imported to the UK, but all I found was Korean variety rice farmed in America or Europe. As long as it's advertised as sushi rice, it will have very similar texture and flavor to Korean rice. Now that we had a look at 3 most common rice types in the UK, let's have a look at how to cook sushi rice without rice cooker or pressure cooker. First, we need 200 grams of rice per person. Wash the rice in clean water by grabbing and rubbing rice using your hand as shown in the video. Once rice is washed, drain the water. Once rice is washed and drained, we need to pour the same amount of water as rice. After pouring water, turn the gas to high heat so the water starts to boil. Once water starts to boil, stir the rice regularly to ensure bottom is not burning. Once water has evaporated down to right below surface of rice, put the top on, reduce to low heat and continue to cook for 15 minutes. Top must remain closed during this time. After 15 minutes, turn off the gas and stir the rice. Make sure you don't mix cooked rice in the middle with overcooked rice on the bottom. It is normal for bottom to be overcooked when using pot. However, if you use rice cooker or pressure cooker, rice will cook evenly without burnt bottom. Now you can serve the rice. Wait, what do we do with the burnt bottom? Back in the days when rice was very valuable, we didn't waste burnt bottom. There are 2 ways to make use out of it. Most common way is to eat it as snack, which is called nurungji. The other way is making cooked rice tea out of it by pouring hot water. This is called sungnyung. Right guys, thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Ta!